What's the meaning of checkered flag? Checkered flag. Checkered flag.
Checkered flag. Checkered flag. The checkered flag is a symbol used in motorsports to indicate the end of a race or session. The flag is black and white checkered, with alternating squares, and is waved by the track marshals to signal to the drivers that the race has finished. The first driver to receive the checkered flag is the winner of the race, with all other drivers finishing behind them in order of their completion of the race distance. It is a highly coveted emblem in the world of motorsport and signifies the ultimate achievement for any driver.